You get home after a long day, the house is in chaos, and everybody's hungry. Well, Dad to the rescue. Let's make Mexican pizza. But don't tell Taco Bell. Meat first. Get it hot. Test it. That's what we want to see. Beans. Spread it. Sprinkle a little bit of meat. A little bit of cheese. Jalapenos in 2. Sometimes you gotta rob Peter to pay Paul. Top them. Gently smash them down. Red Enchilada Sauce. Be generous with the sauce. Or cheese. 400, 5 to 10 minutes. Go off the meltedness. Check them out. Onions and tomatoes. I've got one kid on the autism spectrum and she's pretty particular about what she eats, so we're gonna leave tomato off just one. Now we cut. All right, it's that time. Little SC over here, little Cholula. Do me a favor, if you enjoyed this, hit that subscribe button, give this one a like so I can see you next time.